Hey everyone, Sycra here, and I've got a couple of things I wanted to share with my YouTube audience. The first thing is that if you go to www.sycra.net, I've added this section called Resources. Now here I've put a bunch of links to a lot of the resources I use, and this answers a lot of questions I also get, such as what brushes do you use, or where can you find good brushes? Here's my paper texture that you can just download. Some online art communities, live streams, which are really cool that I watch often. Some online instruction sites and reference images. This one I hope people find useful because yeah, it's got some good reference material there, and some books that I recommend. So I thought this would be really helpful to people starting out who don't know exactly where to go. The next thing is that I created a forum, and here you can post your own sketchbook. So for instance, just anything you've been doing, any drawings you've been doing recently, or paintings or whatever. And there's also a section for art questions, a place that you can ask for critiques. Now I figure what I'll do is maybe once a week, I'll check in the critique section, and I'll find a critique, and of course I'll ask for permission. But if given permission, then maybe I can make a YouTube video critique of the picture, and I thought that might be something fun or helpful for people. And yeah, also talk about things. A common question I get asked is what tablet do I use, or advice on buying a tablet. So here I answer that. So yeah, those are just two things that I thought could help my YouTube audience, and I want to give a big shout out to my webmaster, Matt Gersak, who was really the key to getting both the resources section and the forum actually made. So I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and I hope 2012 is a great year for you and all the artists who are working hard to improve their skills.